What is Google Calendar? With Google Calendar, you can quickly schedule meetings and events and get reminders about upcoming activities. How to set schedule on Google Calendar? First, you need to sign in your account. Click on App button and next, click Sign in. Sign in your own account. Insert your password and click Next. So, you complete to sign in your Google account and next, click on App and click on Google Calendar here. So, this is the template of Google Calendar, and here all my schedule teachings to the student. Before I'm teaching, I always to Google Calendar and check my schedule every day. Step 2. How to set schedule in Google Calendar. Click on the times and pull down. And next, click more option. First, add your title in the box. In the box, I enter the name is CMO1 class and the time in this schedule is start from 7 to 8. After I complete the title, if you want to set notification, click on this button and then set the time before your schedule, and the message will show on your desktop or show on your email like you set. Now on the notification, I set 30 minutes and you can choose more rule in the notification. So now in the notification, I finish and next click on save. So now my schedule already set in Google Calendar and the time is from 7 to 8 a.m. Okay, I think that you understand this step. So we go on with one more step. How to set schedule long. For example, my schedule teachings start from February to May. But in example, my schedule is only one day. So why it show me one day in my Google Calendar? Because in Google Calendar, I set only one day. I need to edit the date in Google Calendar. So I'm go back and then click on my time here. Click on Does Not Repeat button. And then click Custom to show that you want to set it. So it will show you a small template. Click on and then choose the date that you want to finish. So here I start from February 2022 and the day is 28. So I want to finish my schedule on June. So I click on June and that is 1st in 2022. Next I'm click Done and click Save button. So now I did my schedule already and check the result altogether. So here is February and the date is 28. And check the result altogether, please. Please click on this button to check the schedule 1 week to 1 week. And you see that the schedule will show 1 week to 1 week until the finish on June. So about the set schedule is already. Now here we go to how to invite meeting on Google Calendar. If you want to invite someone to meeting on Google Calendar, that's very easy so much. So now I want to meeting with my manager on time 8 to 10. First, I select the schedule from 8 to 10 and next click on more option. And next enter the title here. So the title is already complete and all the button you choose does not repeat. If you choose this rule, it means that you set only 2 hours in this week to meeting in your planning. Next, set the notification alert to tell you before time meeting. So in the notification, I set 30 minutes. One more, if you want to change color, please click on it and then choose the color that you want. I choose the red color here. And next, I need to write the description to tell my manager here. So here is the information to meeting with my manager. And next, you need to add guests. It means that you need to add the people that you want to invite meeting on this Google Calendar. So I'm click here and then I click here hide to invite meetings because here Hi is my manager. And next, click Save. Click on Send button to send this email or calendars to invite Here Hi. Now I open account Here Hi. This one. This is a account Here Hi. Click on it. This is the email address of Here Hi. And I click on Apps and click Gmail to see the message from David Alto to send invite in Google Calendar. So this is the email from David Alto to send Here Hi. And I click on it. And it will show 3 buttons such as yes, maybe, and no. If I click yes, it means that I will to join meeting with Here Hi. So now I click yes button. Now I'm go back with Alto David account and you see that click on it. On account Here Hi will tick green color on his photo. On the other hand, if Here Hi click on no, it means that he rejects the meetings from Alto David. Please check the result altogether here. So the ticks on the Here Hi photo will change the red color. One more step, if you want to invite meeting online in Google Calendar, how can you do that? Okay, first you set the time meetings on your Google Calendar and then click on More option. Enter your title. And this button, please click on Does Not Repeat. And next, I change color this one to yellow color. And after, I click on Add Google Meet Video Conference, this button. And next, I need to invite guests. It means that the people that wants to invite to meetings. And next, click on Save and click Send. So the schedule you invite meeting online was ready. So now we go back to Here Hi account. This is the Here Hi account that I invite him to meeting online. He checks schedule and next click on the schedule invitation. Click on Google Meet to join meeting from Alto David invite. So the step invitation from online meeting I finished. Next step, how to share schedule to someone. Share schedule means that you want to share your schedule to someone to see that or check your schedule, you busy or free. So for example, this is the account Alto David and here all his schedule. If he doesn't share his schedule to someone, it means that all of account cannot open. To know his schedule, like the example here, I open account Here Hi and I click on the box search and I click on email address David Alto. And the schedule doesn't show to tell me about the David Alto schedule. It means that the schedule from David Alto is high. Now should we do to Here Hi see the schedule from David Alto? So I will just tell you, you can follow like this. Go back to David Alto account. Next, click on name and click on 3 dots. Next, click setting and sharing. Scroll down and click Add People button. And after, enter your email address and what you want to share. And click Send. So now I share to Here Hi ready. I go back to his account. I enter the email address David Alto again. So the schedule from David Alto show me all, so it makes me easy. If I want to invite him to meetings, I just check his schedule and check the time he free time and set meeting with him. Okay, so now I finished the step sharing. And the last step, if you want to remove the schedule on Google Calendar, that is effortless. First, choose the schedule that you want to delete. So I click on the schedule. I want to delete this schedule. First, right click on the schedule and I click on delete here. So the schedule was deleted from Google Calendar. And next, I want to check my schedule that was deleted. First, I click on setting. And next, click stress. And after, it will show all my schedule that I delete from Google Calendar and stay here. So if I want to return my schedule into Google Calendar, just click on inbox this one, box 2, box 3 And next, click on Restore All Selected. The schedule will back on Google Calendar. So I'm click back here. Okay, so the schedule is back, this one, you see that. Okay, About Delete is ready. Thanks so much.